ACCU-KUT table is from about 20 years ago. So the table is super tough. It's made out of 1/2-inch structural steel. That's the reason that I chose it, because my guys are so rough on this. And it's built as tough as a shipyard. Then we did a major upgrade in 2018. We did an overhaul where we got the new HYPERTHERM edge connect system. Upgraded to an XPR 300. That's from the year 2018. With the new gas mixing console and the new torch head, lifter, and torch controls on the original bridge, which has this rack and pinion motion in it. It's all hooked up to a dust collector, which I included the photos of this and the nomenclature in your photographs in your drive that we shared. So that's a huge improvement, and that will go with it. You can follow the ductwork. Oh, hello again. And the ductwork plugs in the back of here, as shown in the drawings that I sent to you. I did want to point out one minor thing is I'm missing one track, one of these tank tracks. I just cannot seem to get one track, but it would go right there. It's snapped in right there. No big deal. Still operates. It's still hooked up to power if you want a demonstration. Otherwise, I've included some videos that you can see it. Cutting 16 gauge stainless steel, 1/4 inch stainless steel, and 1 inch stainless steel. That's what we cut mostly in. The table is zoned into 3 spots. Basically, where you see these 3 doors is where they have ballasts that open and close, so that it only sucks from section to section to get the full force. Then for clean out, hopefully you got an apprentice that can crawl back in there and clean everything out. Alright, so this baby's been replaced by the laser. That's the only reason that I'm selling it. There's nothing wrong with it, and I hope that it can find a new place at your place. Happy landing.